Hi guys, so it's Saturday. How you feeling, KK?
Great.
Yes.
It was nice to lie down in my bed today.
I got up about 2:10. I ate breakfast moments ago, and if you didn't see that video, you can go, over to the video before this previous video, and you'll see the little mukbang. Yes, we had a blast. It tasted good, right? Yup. So I'm a belly full. I thank God for the blessing. Yes. So, oh Jesus, sorry. So we're gonna get our. You feel like we're gonna drop off some stuff over the church. We live near the church. Nobody think how far. Yes.
It's
and
far
then
when drive. I'm kidding.
Anyway, and then afterwards, we are going to take out the rubbish and burn them, and then I have some clothes by lights that I have to take up first. I think they're dry. And then I go wash out some clothes and then we are coming. I think I going to start with plates, right? Yeah. Make the kitchen look nice and tidy. I'm going to clean off but this table that I just messed up. But anyway. You'll see all of that. So we're going over to church first because I want to go for the tripod. That's what I name. Yes. So that I can use it. So you guys can see what I'm doing clearly. Because if me hold my phone, you're not going to see nothing, trust me. Because I go busy at work. So let's get into the video. So guys, we feel like the rain will fall. Alright, so I have some clothes on the line. I need to take them. I think they wait up for about 2 times now because nobody was home. So I'm going to take them up. You can see that. I'm going to take them up and then I'm going to burn some rubbish before the rain falls. So I just finished folding clothes. You saw me picking up the clothes. Just finished folding up these clothes. So we're gonna get packing away at the moment. Look at sister washing away. Hi, sister. I know. Anyway, guys, I finished washing one line of clothes. So I'm going to finish the second line. And then we're going to get going to practice because the time is...
The girl. It's a Shana pulley. Look at it now. It's going on table. Look at that.
Mommy don't see it, you know. But I mean,
Look at nice. It's
I was like,
you know,
it's fragile, so putting it up will be a waste of time. So I'm just.
It's cute though.
But anyway, let me open the cup. I didn't open for you guys because I was lazy. When people may confirm, it was my principal indeed. So yeah, I'll figure it out. No, it's stiff.
Give me a minute to make it broke.
Right, so. Ooh, how they did this? They have like a tape in it. It says happy birthday inside.
Isn't that adorable?
Yeah,
So cute.
so I'm using that.
Happy birthday. This is does not say Christmas, it says birthday.
I don't care.
Come on, pass it. Let me see it. You know, put it on good.
As I said, it came with a little spoon. So we're going to whip it. And fun. Yes, the lights are off, but decor's done. Hi, Miss Price. How you doing? Look here. Yes, so the church is ready for Cantata 2022. Go again, Viv. Woo! Again. Yay! I start pulling out my hair, so I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna finish pulling it up. Then I'm gonna do my rest of my work. Oh, I need to eat. I cook, but I never eat. So, no gifts. No. So guys, it's practically the next day. It's Sunday, December 11th, and I realized that I didn't end my vlog, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for spending the day with me. Have yourself a productive one. Bye.